Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here, coming at you from Vanessa Angel Rose here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul, which I haven't done one of these in eons. So let's get the show on the road. All of these are new to my Dollar Tree in my town. So I don't know about your Dollar Tree, but this is new to mine. We have a lot of vintage stickers that came out. I like this one. This is the roses. They're all metallic and all different colors. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get right there. See that? Okay. And here's the vintage phone, cameras, sewing machine, and light bulb. We have the violin, cello, piano, and harp. Here's some other metallic-y flowers, hot air balloons, uh, hearts, a dome, and some stuff I'll show y'all will be for my granddaughter because she's doing something that's cool for Valentine's Day. And these are little boxes that have stickers in them. Here's all the stickers that are in them. And she doesn't want to open them, so she'll just hand them to her classmates like that. Then we got this envelope here, which has a little slot. I'm going to show you guys. It has a little slot in it, so you can fit a card in it or whatever you want to put in it. We have that. We have some wooden hearts that have little hearts cut out, and they have the little hole at the top and the twine to tie them up with. Okay, now next I have some stamps, which we have. This one has dragonfly, butterflies, flowers, a bee, a ladybug, a bouquet of flowers, and it says, enjoy the little things and amazing on that one. Then we have one of all the birds, more flowers and leaves, and we have another little butterfly over here. It says, beautiful, have a nice day. We have Gay Paris with the French xylophone here. I think that's what it's called. We have the llamas with, let me see. We have 3 llamas on this one, a couple of cacti. Keep on dreaming, hello dream, I love llama, and there's a little flower, find your way with an arrow. Then we have not but Valentine's Day stickers here with the envelope, the vase of flowers, the jar of hearts, kiss, love, I love you, the mailbox of hearts, the diamond, and then we have dream catchers. And then we have here some silicone heart molds. And then here's some erasers for my granddaughter to give her classmates. And then we have more hearts with little hearts cut out. Then this one. Then we have the French horns, the drum, the uh the bow here, saxophone. This is all new at my Dollar Tree. So felt hearts, wooden hearts, and Jenga blocks. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I do a premiere, or when I go live. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Remember, where everything is made with love in every stitch. Okay. Um, Please be kind, be caring, Be blessed, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.